Hey there. So let's take a look. So of 150 students enrolled in a basic math class, only 30% are first year students. So how many are first year students? So we know that 30% of this number is the first year students. And so that's the math we're going to need to do with that first. Something kind of just a walkthrough in terms of percent problems. When we have a percentage that's less than 100, the way I like to think of this is whole and then times the percent is going to equal the part. So you're going to have like the whole amount of students, we're going to multiply that by the percentage as a decimal, and then that's going to give me the part of the students that are 30% of that whole. So in this case, we have 150 students. Our percent is 30%, but remember to do math with percentages, we want to move the decimal two places to the left. So that would be 0.3, or if it helps you write 0.30, but 0.3 would be fine, same thing as 0.30. And then that equals the number of first year students. You're saying 30% of the whole, that's going to make the part. And so then if we do that, that should come out to 45 students would be first year. And like I said, this setup works. It's always going to be the big number times the percent is going to make the small number, as long as that percent is under 100%. But this is a pretty good way to think of it. If it had said instead, 70 students are first year students, which is 45% of the total, then we would know the 70 was the part, we would still have the percentage, and we would be finding the whole in that case. The second part of this one is saying if 45 are first year, how many are not? Well, we know that these two answers have to make the total number of students. So there we'd want to go 150 minus 45, and then that means there'd be 105 students who are not first year students. Hopefully that helps out.